Grow your own garden, no backyard needed. Tired of relying on grocery stores for fresh herbs? This hydroponic system might be your answer. The SUNCOZE Hydroponics Growing System. Kit boasts 20 pods, a 10L water tank, and a 30W grow light. It's designed for indoor herb gardening, even in small spaces. The height is adjustable up to 25 inches, accommodating plants at different growth stages. The built-in pump circulates water, mimicking a natural ecosystem. This system offers 2 growth modes, veggie and flower fruit. The light operates on a 24-hour cycle, ensuring consistent light exposure. It includes 20 pods, plant food, and support sticks to get you started. Just add seeds. Users appreciate the system's capacity and ease of assembly. Some note issues with the pump and vague instructions. One user praised it as the best out of 5 brands for its height and growing space. Another loved the refreshing touch of greenery indoors. Ready to bring fresh herbs and veggies into your home? Check out the SUNCOZE Hydroponics Growing System Kit on Amazon through the link in description. Start your indoor garden and enjoy fresh produce year-round.